Why am I always getting the hiccups?
I always seem to get the hiccups at the most inconvenient times, like when I'm trying to relax, snack, and watch my new show. Luckily, I just got the new HiccAway product I saw on Shark Tank, and it works like a charm. It's super easy to use. You just put it in your water, drink through the device like a straw, and they're gone. Everyone, if you struggle with annoying and embarrassing sneaky hiccups, you need to check out the Shark Tank featured product HiccAway. They come in a variety of colors, and they're sure to take your hiccups away. Now, back to watching my favorite show, Shark Tank.